Hello, my name is Faizan Akbar and my company name is Bristal Enterprises. Today I am going to introduce the round nose plier. This round nose plier is used for the jewelry industry to make the jewelry. It has the two jaws, and the both jaws are conical round, and it gives a very nice bend. For example, I have even the stainless steel wire, and on the stainless steel wire, with the help of this plier, we can give the nice loop. As you can see, it's a very nice loop. So this plier is manufactured with the high grade stainless steel, and it has the box joint. It has the red color vinyl grip, but we can give the different color like the blue, the green, the black, the yellow, many colors we have. Just you will have to tell me that this color you need, we will provide you the color. We can also customize this plier for you. For example, we can print your company name, the article number, and your brand brand logo on the box of the plier. It has about the length about the 13 centimeter, so it is a 30 centimeter long, and it's about the 1 centimeter wide. 1 centimeter wide. So it's a nice and very good plier, and it is very much comfortable in your hand. You can move your hand on the any direction to give the loop, and even you can hold it from this end, and you can see that all the plier is in your palm, and you have the complete control on your plier. So this plier is very much nice and very useful for your lab, for your workshop, and you can sell this plier. You can use this plier with the confidence. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye.